Hey, what is up? It is your boy, Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the perfect full body home workout that you can do from the comfort of your own home, maybe during quarantine. If you've been stuck at home due to COVID, this is gonna be a perfect workout for you to work your entire body, every single muscle group on your body, and make sure that you're training and building more mass during COVID at home. So before we get into today's full body workout that you can do at home, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up as fast as possible. Maybe you want mass gain meal plans, mass gain recipes, mass gain workouts, and simple tips and tricks to bulk up as fast as possible as a skinny guy. If that sounds like content you want to see, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you've been following me or subscribed for a while, make sure that after this video you click the first link in my description and go get yourself a free bulking meal plan and workout to get started on your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So let me quickly explain how this workout basically works. So we're going to run through a couple exercises, and each exercise is going to train one muscle group of your body so we can cover the entire body during this workout. So it's going to be a full body workout. We're going to use dumbbells. If you have dumbbells at home, that's going to be perfect for this workout. If you don't have dumbbells, make sure to check out my other full body workouts that you can do at home with body weight. I'll be posting some in the upcoming days for you, but this one is a dumbbell specific workout. So you're going to need a set of dumbbells and you're going to run through this entire full body workout. It's going to train your chest, and then it's going to train your shoulders, your legs, your back, and then we're going to do abs and arms. So we're pretty much going to cover every single muscle group on your body so you can build mass as fast as possible. Build your base foundation of muscle as a skinny guy and bulk up fast. So won't talk too much about the workout, so let's get straight into it. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.